Step 1. Know your general taste. Know your taste will make your choice much easier because you know where you can start looking. So if you like suspense, you can find books about police or terror, and if you like love, you can find books about relationships or romance. Knowing your favorite facilitates the search of an ideal book for you. Step 2. Look for the interesting books. You can ask your friends with tastes similar to yours that book recommend you read what is your favorite book and look for a title interesting you so you can research on Facebook or in a social network what good book and search until you find one that suits your particular taste and budget.
Research about the author for a better understanding of the book you want to read. Check it if the author has a good reference.
Step 5. Review the publisher, saying that it has a good price and that it has a good translation if the book is another language. Step 6. Finally, keep in mind that the price you want to pay is good, and keep in mind the time you want to use.